Hello. Okay, so today what I'm going to attempt, I don't know if you guys have seen this. Now I'm going to share my screen. Yeah, there we are. It's going to go. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but from today on the CLO Connect website, there's a new competition. So, Future Heritage, Munich to Mars. So the MCM have done this competition where you've got to create an outfit and it's all like space themed. So I thought I would enter it and also do my own ideas and kind of live stream how I'm gonna do each component and then upload those for free and give away all the stuff. So let's look at my board. So this was my quick board that I put together. So I know that I want to create like basically a spacesuit and then put the logo all over it. This is probably the closest thing of what I'm kind of thinking. So I created a acne jean, and I'm probably going to do an acne jean made in leather and then put the MCM logo all over it. Also, so I need a boot. So I need a space boot like this. So this was the actual space boot that they had going onto the moon. So these are pretty cool, but then I needed to bring it back a little bit and make it a little bit more fashion. So I might do like a Moncler down version. So you know that video that I did with the Moncler jacket where it was all ruched, and I might do something like that. But this is kind of where my head's at the moment. And I'm also, if I go back over to here, so this is my CLO Connect store. So I'm thinking, I've got a bomber jacket, I've got a jean already made up. I might just adapt those. And I'm thinking I'm going to add like pockets to the calves. These pockets here. These are pockets for people that fly spaceships, obviously. But it's so that as you're sitting down, you've got a pocket basically on your lap and in your calf, so it's easily accessible. And then, there's tons of these straps and stuff like that. But I think the main thing and how I'm going to draw it back into the brand is, if I quickly, where was I thinking? There it is. Where I can bring it back into the brand is I'm going to do like a backpack for a spaceman, but basically create this like a leather version. Now, this has already kind of alluded to it, but I don't know, like in my head, I'm a bit worried that this is a very obvious take on it. But what I've learned over the years of like taking design briefs is like these people have put these boards together, they've got an idea of what they want. They wouldn't have, it's almost like you have to do the obvious one first and then grow on that. And I'm hoping that by doing bit by bit, like the boots first, and then just see where it takes me, basically. So I'm gonna head over to CLO, and I'm gonna start creating these boots, basically. Right, let's move this. I need to move all this so I can see. Now I've tried doing shoes a few times on CLO, and it's never gone that well. So let's see what happens today. I need a reference image as well. Where's all my reference images? I'm going to use the moon boot as my reference image and then go from there. Oh, not the acne jeans. MCM and ref images. Let's open this one. Get rid of that. I'm just going to stick this in the corner. Okay. Feel free to send messages and stuff. I'll try and chat to you as I'm doing this. But let's get started. I'm going to be doing, I think I've got about an hour and a half to do this. I've got to pick up my kids from school at 3. So let's say an hour and 15 minutes. Let's see how far we get. So I need to see the ground. Okay, so the grid's there. I think the first thing I need to do is Yeah, let's figure out what the hell I'm doing. I need to. I wonder if can I change. I need to change the view, but I want to see the base of the foot. Okay, this is. Let's start with a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Go there. Okay. Let's turn that a little bit so it's more in line. Back is way too far. I want to give it some space. Okay. So this is going to be a chunky foot. Okay. That's the base. Let's bevel these edges. Split in the middle, split there also. And then I'm just going to curve these edges. Smooth. Yeah, I think the back's fine, but I think the front needs to taper in a little bit. Where's the front? Oh, I've got it completely back to front. Actually, it's completely back to front, upside down. If I click there, that's on the right, so that's going to be quite confusing. Let's flip this completely. Is that good? I need to move that back a bit. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now when I click there, it's on that side. So that's fine. Yeah. Okay, let's move these points in. I'm going to move that point in a little bit. Move that one down. So it just follows that line. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to treat this almost like it's a bag. Let's get rid of that one for now. So hide that. Ah, damn it. So you can't hide one at a time. Let's see. Maybe if I change the opacity. Yes, there you go. We just got one. And also, let's change this color of this material so we can see it. There we are. Light blue. Okay, so first of all, I want to create that sole here. So first thing we want to do is move him up there. Let's move that one to the ground. Oh, is it move to ground and center? I'll move it to the center. I'm just going to do it manually and hope for the best. Oh, there you go. There we go. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to create an offset. Oh, no. You create a clone over. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to move that up there in that part. I want to get rid of that, all those sewing tools. I think this is particle distance, so let's move that down to 8. So all the lines are smoother. I'm going to freeze these because I do not want these to change in any way. And let's get the circumference measurement. So it's 937.1. Okay, so create a rectangle. 937.1. And then the distance, so how chunky is that? Where's my ruler? About 25 mil, let's say. You can always increase that. Okay, so where's the back? So the back is there. Here we are. So I want to put the seam at the back, so it's kind of hidden. We can get rid of the seam eventually, but okay. So I'm going to put a point right in the middle there, so I know what the front is. So you go split in two, and then split in two. I know that those are my center front, if you're talking about a garment. So this is the base. Where's the base? Okay. So I know that goes there. And that goes there. Okay. And then the top, same again. Push that there. And so that one to that one. Nice. That's pretty much done exactly what I wanted to do straight away. Okay, let's look at that. I'm going to, so next, let's freeze that. Now I want to put like little like grippy things on the bottom. So if I'm going to do that, I want to select, how do I select? Select all avatars. Now I want to select all faces. That's it. Let's move it up just a tad. How much have I got? There we go, that'll do. Okay, so what's the bottom one? There. Okay. And what I'm going to do is create. I'm going to create lines that go across, a bit like this. Yeah. Also, there's like a cap at the front, and then kind of these are inset. So let's do this. Let's get a horizontal line for starters, and we're going to offset about that much, isn't it? I wonder. Hang on. Yeah, it's pretty equal the whole way. Okay, and then just do both sides. Let's just do. Okay, need to delete some of these. Delete that one. And then I want to have like a big one at the back. Okay, and then for the whole of the. Why is it doing so? Oh, those two are linked. I don't want it linked. I only want to do it on the base. Okay, so then that's there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these ones. Cut and sew? No, just cut. And then these lines here, I need to create an offset on here. So offset internal lines, let's put that down to 0 or 1. Sorry, I need one, at least one. Let's do this. Okay, so now I can cut those. Oh no! I just realised what I've done. I don't want to. Fuck it, mate. I shouldn't be cutting this piece. I need to create an additional piece. Okay, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. So what we want to do, do I want to do over or under? No, it needs to be under. So create offset or clone under. That's it. Oh my god. If I didn't realise that, I would have just wasted so much time. I'd have gone back on myself. Right, so let's get rid of the linking. So remove linked editing. Cut and sew? No, just cut. That's fine. Let's select this. Select that one, and that one. And we need to create that offset internal, and we can cut that as well. And then I'm going to select all these lines. I'm going to cut those as well. Oh, I wonder if there's enough to, so delete every, yes, oh, that was lucky. I didn't even check that was correct. Okay, so I need those lines. I'm sure it'll be fine. I wonder if I can, because that's sewn to that. I should have kept that link in, actually. So look, I need to have that offset. Create offset. That's fine. And then let's stitch these to this. That's a bit annoying. Because really, I wonder if I can cut these lines so it hits the outside of the edge there. To extend to pattern outline, internal lines. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm so happy because that would have taken ages. Right. Let's do the line like this one, the stitch line, because then we can just click, click, click. Stitch all these on. Perfect. Okay. Now I want to solidify these so they don't bend and buckle. Let's stitch those on. Did I do it? Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Why not? Am I too close to the ground, I wonder? Let's lift the whole boot and everything up. So select all avatar and garment. No, that did not. Well, I can just move the feet up and I can move this up. That's hitting the bottom there. Let's do that again. Oh, I know why. It's because that's frozen, obviously. Unfreeze. Okay. Oh, it's created like a little, kind of like that. I don't know. All right, let's change the particle distance of this to 5. And then it's doing that because the stitch line should be turned. Okay, let's strengthen those. Do you know what? Maybe I need to unsolidify. No, that didn't do anything. I'm going to add some pressure on here just so it pushes them up. Is it the, oh, it's the collision. So put that down to, that's it. So that was pushing it down. And then what I can do, I'm going to change the thickness of this. Right, creates a little, it's pretty cute. One thing I do want to do, I need to get rid of the curvature. This is a straight line. Also, let's get rid of the map there. Okay, look at that. That's pretty cute. This, I need to strengthen this. Is that frozen? Oh, it's still frozen. Let's unfreeze that. That gives it a little bit of shape, which actually I don't mind that much. It's kind of cool. I'm going to put that down to 5 as well. Oh, it's 20 at the moment. All right. It definitely needs to not be 20. It's much smoother. Do you know what? I actually quite like how it like bulges out and then that bit. Pretty cool. Okay. that is the sole done. And next, please let me know. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. Okay, where's my reference image? I've lost my reference image. Okay. All right, I'm going to create some circles for up here. So we say we want it there. So it's just going to be a supporting piece for now. Okay, that's a tube. Let's create another one of those. No, let's do under, because I want them in exactly the same positions, but I don't want them stitched. So let's get rid of the stitching. Oh my god, why did I press simulate? I did not want to do that. Let's get the one at the bottom. Just move that down. Maybe there. Let's move that one forward a little bit as well. Okay, so this is going to be like my... Oh, do you know what? That really needs to be the same, because the tube can't be more... What am I doing? That tube at the bottom, at the top, can't be more than what the width is here. So let's do this. Let's move that up. Like that. Move it there. I'm worried that this isn't chunky enough, you know? Maybe I should do. Well, I can make it chunkier by adding down and stuff like that to it. Okay, is that in the middle? Yep. Okay, let's do a layer under. Like that. See that? When I... Damn it. I need to move both of these forward. Because this needs to be... Yeah, that needs to be in line with the back. There. Okay. It's fine. And that's all good. Okay, so let's get rid of those sew lines because I don't want those. And we're also going to freeze those. So that's almost like my supporting structure for this tube. And then let's do this panel here now. Just going to be about here. So the distance, yes, let's do a shape that is like that. And then it's going to go down to the center front, right there. That is the center, yeah, that is the center front. So let's unfold this part. And what we're going to do now, it's not frozen, is it? No. I'm going to freeze all of this stuff. Unfreeze and freeze. And freeze this also. How about that's how it looks. Let's move this. Okay, let's stitch this to that panel. Stitch those back lines. Is that done? And I'm going to strengthen that from the get-go. Okay. Looking nice. It's kind of cool how it goes in a little bit. Now I need to make it look a little bit different from the reference image. It will do. Right, I'm happy with that. I'd like it to be a bit sturdier, so let's change the material properties. At the moment it's just standard, so if I change it to trim hardware, that makes it a little bit stiffer. And also I'm going to change the pressure. Let's see. Oh, hang on, don't want it going out that much. Okay. It goes out a little bit, and then I need a line from here to go to here. So where's this point? Let's say that that point is at 200. So let's split that 200 and 200, split 200. I'm going to smooth that point as well, that center front point. Smooth that there. That's nice. Okay, so I suppose I need this piece. I'm going to create something over. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to move that to there. Then it's going to basically needs to connect like this. And then if we're saying I still need that center front point there, if I create that. Okay, so let's have a look. So if I sew that to there, that goes there. Let's create a point here so then I can cut that across. Okay. Cut and sew. No, I didn't really need cut and sew because I'm going to get rid of all. Oh no, I need to get rid of the original sewing and then I'll put that one back. So that goes there, that goes there. Don't. Right. Perfect. So let's unfreeze this now. I'm actually going to freeze this part for now because I'm going to do this. Right. So obviously that goes flat. We don't want that. We want it to be curved. So I am going to, first of all, I need to create 2 points here, a point there and a point there. I need pattern editor. So let's do split 30. Let's do 50. And then split that 50. And I'm going to spread or fullness this part. Now you want to do both. And then it's the fullness. Yeah, so this part we want bigger. Do you reckon that's enough? So 270. It's a bit floppy. Let's change the pressure so it pushes it out. There we are. Okay, let's make sure we've got the right pressure. So that's a bit too much. Too much fullness, so it's 270. Let's take it back 2 steps. I wish I could do this, like move it up and it moves in time. Maybe not. So let's do 220. Remember to do both. Okay, and let's strengthen. And the pressure needs to be about 30. Okay, that's created a nice little lift. Now this seam goes down to here. So what I need to do is if I create, let's say, how much does that go up? Maybe 60 centimeters. So if I do offset pattern and then 60, it's this longer line. And then what I'm going to do is split here. Oh God, I'm constant. Which was the fast key for that split? Because I'm always doing it. There probably is a way of doing it, but split that. And I'm going to bring this line back to there. Oh, hang on. To be honest, I've got that guide there. I don't really need it. So if I bring that down here, stay with me, and then move that up to there. See what I'm doing? Okay, let's push that up to there, push that up to there. That'll take us to there and there. Okay. I wonder if it needs a bit more pressure. Yeah, that's perfect. It still could do with going. I don't know if it needs to go all the way to that. I suppose it doesn't. Okay, I'm happy with that for now. Okay, let's freeze that part. And then I'm gonna, so I got to create this pattern that goes basically here to here. So to do that, I am going to, first of all, let's get the circumference of this top piece. What's time? 2 o'clock. Oh, hopefully I can get this done in the next 45 minutes-ish. 626.8. Rectangle. 626.8. And then the height is about that. Let's get the ruler. Let's say that's 20. So 200. Okay. I'm going to put that on the, oh God, hang on. Come on. Oh, that's pretty close. Right. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, hang on, I don't want to center front seam, I want to center back seam. So if I split the top edge in the middle, that gives me this basically. And then let's go around there, go around there. Yikes. Right, full. If you could go down, that would be lovely. Right, go down. Just wants to. It's looking pretty close. Okay, let's just move. Okay, so I know that the bottom circle here is obviously a straight line all the way through. What we need to kind of create this panel here. So that would be, I'm going to split that again so I get a center front point. So the center front point doesn't move. So essentially what I need to do, I'm going to create an additional piece here. Oh, what am I doing? I need a polygon, that's what I need. So it's there. So this point goes down to about there, and then that goes to there. So I think I can work this out by this length. So let's split that so I get half of it. So 133.8. Let's change the length of that. 133.8. Let's do it the other way, end. So that line is correct. That line is correct. And that line should be the distance from there to there. can I check that? I think I can, because that's this line. So 277.1, which is way off. How do I do that without changing? Oh, I can. Oh. Oh no, obviously that's not too. It's there. That's the point. I didn't do this new point, so it's just there. Okay. So what's that length? 210, and that needs to be. Oh, it's not far off. Okay, that's good. So what I'm going to do? Can I split? I want this line to move, but this one not to. So that one needs to stay at 133, 133.8, and this one needs to change to 210. Okay, so if I just do it manually, maybe like 133. So let's get 210 on that side and 133, 210. Right, that's close enough. All right. So then we've got this. Let's create a reflection copy of that. So if I put that to there, then merge. I'm going to merge these two. Okay, that is to sound bonkers, but I think that's pretty much got it. This shouldn't be a point though. That's my only worry. That should be a curve. So problem is if I smooth that, that's going to make that distance shorter. That should be like that. Okay, I think I'm just going to gather that bit into that bit for now. So if I do this, do that, it's not too far off. Let's change, move that to there. Yep. And this one to this one. Okay. And hopefully when I press simulate, this will. Oh, yes. Okay, I need to sort out. I need to sew the back of this together. Oh, looking good. And then if I increase the pressure, I mean, that's a bit too much, but let's move this up because there's too much fabric there. Do that. It's looking good. Unstrengthen. Why is there's a bit of a twist to it? I would like there to be no gathering whatsoever. I wonder if there's too much material at the front. So actually, which is probably really helpful. So if I split, oh, I know what I need to do. If I create this and clone as an internal line, that's what I want. If I do this and then turn that around, I basically want that curve to be the same as that one. I'm probably sure everyone was thinking that. Let's move that. Okay. There's going to be issues here. There's my red one pattern, and then let's divide internal. I want to get rid of the top bit. Divide internal, so hopefully I can get rid of that one now. So, and then I'm going to move this reference line so it's, oh god, I need it to be on that point. Let's move this. Now this is going to be like like 1/10 of a millimeter wrong. It should be fine. So cut and sew, or just cut actually, not cut and sew, because I need to re-sew this together. So that's got exactly the same curve. So that now should be tighter. Yes, that looks so good. Right. It's a bit baggy, so I need to strengthen this up. What do I need to, because back here it looks like it's as straight as it can be. Maybe if I just tilt it just a tad. Just tilt that. Raise that up. It pulls that front bit a bit. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, let's strengthen that. I would like that to go out some more. But I've strengthened it. Have I put the pressure out? So the pressure's, 70 already. Maybe I need to... Oh, because that's a trim hardware. Right, okay, let's create a new fabric. That's that. And then, because it's trim hardware, it's not going to do anything. So let's do knit terry fleece. And that makes it all junky and bubbly. That's really cool. All right, let's change the pressure a little bit because I think it's a bit extreme. No. That's 4. Okay. That's looking really. I'm so impressed. Like I'm not impressed by myself, but I'm so shocked that this is actually working to the level that I wanted it to. Okay. So let's see what we've got. Let's stitch line. Do you want to put the D-rings on and everything? Let's look back at these reference images. So I wanted like a Montclair kind of quilted thing going on. Yeah, I'm going to do a quilted version, I think. Okay, let's... Oh my god, I just unfreezed it. No, I don't want to unfreeze it. I want to strengthen it. No, I want to freeze everything. That's what I wanted to do. These reference lines are annoying me, so let's get rid of those. Edit and delete reference. Okay. That's looking really nice. Now, I think I really like the toes on this, like how it has that effect on there. I wonder if I can do... Yeah, because this, if we do this bit as plastic, let's change the thickness. Yeah, it's almost like that's plastic, and then up here is going to be the material. Yeah, let's get rid of the stitch line here. So it creates this effect. What's the particle distance on all of this? Let's make everything 8. So it creates a nice smooth. Okay, so I'm going to start changing the colors a little bit on this. So this is going to be my sole. So all of this is my sole. Let's change that to like black for now. Oh, let's change them all. Okay, that didn't show up obviously because everything's frozen. Let's unfreeze and unstrengthen. There we go. It's cute. I'm gonna add a bit more there. I want to add. Do you know what? I can't even see anything. need to change that from black. Where's the color? Let's change it to like grey for now. I'm going to put those lines on that front. So let's do clone over this. I'm going to put a line there. And then I can, once I've got this line, offset internal lines. Let's say they're 1 centimeter, I don't know, 7 mil. Let's do this. About there, and both sides. And then I can cut these, cut and sew, and let's get rid of every other one. It's like an odd number. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I like it. Little groovy bits. Right, let's fix this. So I don't want them to be too protruded. I just want them subtly. And then let's get rid of the curvature because I want them to be straight. And then also we want to get rid, I don't think I'm going to even bother sewing those down because they're in a good position as it is. There we are. Got little grippy bits there. Should I put a grippy bit on the back? I feel like I should do something at the back. Nah, it's fine. Okay, so let's freeze those bits and then let's unfreeze these parts. Unfreeze. Does anything crazy happen? No, not really. Oh, I like that in there. I wonder if I can change. Okay, need to play around with this. Yeah, that's it. I like how it had that little. Oh God, hang on. Where's my reference image? There we are. Okay, let's do some padding now. So I think the lines that we're going to do are going to be quite chunky. Yeah. So let's offset. Not that many. Oh, I need to do one. And then not both sides. What am I doing? Hang on. I need to do it from the top, not the bottom. So let's offset one. And let's change that to 30. No, 50. 50 at the least. No. 70. Let's do that. I think that one's going to create a problem. Let's just do that for now. And then let's see if we can do thinner ones down here, maybe. Let's see. Offset. Did I do that right? No, I didn't click the right button. Let's do reverse. Yes. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so now I've got those. I am going to do layer over. Oh God. Did I do layer over? Do you know what? I haven't even saved this yet. One idiot. Save project. Moon boot. Okay, that's fine. and we're going to create a layer over that. Hopefully that has all the stitch lines. Yes. And then we're going to create a new material. Add. And this is going to be like a nylon. So let's go to the fabric library. Oh no, it's not going to be a nylon. It is going to be, that's what I need to do. Right, import, add. I want to import a project, add a project. So this leather material. So I made this today. So open, add garment. Yeah, render properties. Doesn't really matter at this stage. So I created the MCM leather. So let's see how that does it. Okay, so this is the MCM leather I created. And what I can do, I'm just going to add that onto there. That looks so good. Right. All the settings should be fine for that. And then, do I need to do it on that one, the one below? No, I don't. But I'm going to change it from leather, the property, and let's do like a terry sweat, because I need the stretch in it. Where is it? Knit, terry stretch. I'm going to freeze. No, I don't want to freeze that. I need to strengthen it. So it is strengthened. This needs to be unstrengthened. Okay. It's kind of cute how it's like a little bit, but I want to. Oh, hang on. I need to get rid of that one. But I want to make it quite dramatic. The puffiness. So let's do. So the pressure is already 70. Surely not. Right, hang on. Let's hide that. Okay. Right, I'm going to freeze that, even though I said I wasn't gonna. Let's show these again. Okay. Now what you can do is, if I change the properties of this and make it super stretchy. Okay, so it's currently stretches 19 and 15. Let's simulate this. What happens if I put it down to 5? Okay, so if I get rid of that. Okay, so see how it's gone all puffy a little bit more. And now I'm going to make it even puffier by changing the weft and the warp. So let's just go up. Right. Yeah, that's so chunky. Okay. Is that too much? It looks like an old lady's leg. You know, when they've got like the fluid in it. Okay, I'm going to tone that down a tad. What's time? 24. Oh, I need to go and get my boys in a minute. Shall we have a look? Let's see what that looks like. So let's. I want to hide the avatar for now. Let's do a render. I want to do this gathering up the top as well, and maybe a little tab. I really like how that looks. Okay. All right. Let's get the shadows on here. Also, that needs to be to hide that. See, that material needs to go on there as well. Let's change this to more of a black now. Oh God, hang on, I need to see that. So a bit of the side that I'm missing. So let's get, that's good. Looks like a brownie. Let's do that, and then I'm also going to change the properties of that to plastic. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, there's my little moon boot. Oh, what happened to the lighting? Custom. Something strange happened. Let's just put on a standard. Let's do vivid and then lock camera. And then I want, yeah, look at that. Okay. So I still need to do that thing up the top. I'm going to also, this plastic is a bit too plasticky, you know what I mean? So let's change that to 50 maybe. So it looks more like rubber rather than a plastic. Then let's put some gathering in here. So there, there. Will it be here as well? Yeah, probably. Okay. On the top. Yeah. Okay, and then once I've selected all of that, I'm going to do both sides. The intensity, opacity, let's do the opacity high. And then intensity, change that. Okay. See how that looks? I love it. Okay, maybe I need to change to polyester, denim, definitely not denim, leather. Let's see. Is that how leather looks when it's gathered? Let's have a look. Don't really like that. Looked better before. Let's try polyester. Polyester looks better. And then let's change the distance to 20. And then the density 120. Yeah, I think that looks good. Oh my God, this is looking better than what I thought it was going to look. Okay. I love it. I think the material, the leather, I think that could do with having a bit of, so it's leather at the moment, and let's change the matteness down. Yeah, it gives it a little bit more sheen. Maybe if I can make the metallic part a little bit more. Okay, so 29. We've got like 15 minutes to get the rest done. Increase, can't go too far there, but okay. Let's save progress. I wasn't expecting it to look this good. I'm absolutely loving what this looks like. Maybe I can put a few laces and I don't really need laces. I'll put the draw cord up top. Okay. Do you know what it needs? It needs a spotlight of some sort. It needs like a something like let's do that. Ah, where is it? There we are. Oh, I didn't save the last. Okay. Let's hope it's roughly there. Let's see. Be good if it was actually on the floor, wouldn't it? Select all. Do you know what? I don't even need the last anymore, because I kind of done its job of like guiding me of where. I don't know where the ground is. Hang on. Is that the ground? Hang on, if I do that. No, that didn't help. Okay, let's see. And then also this light, I need to make about 5. And hopefully that will have lots of light coming from this direction. Which actually messes up. It messes up the dome. Infinite dome? Nope. Because it's creating a shadow from there. So how about I move it all the way out here so it doesn't affect. But then you change the intensity. I probably just need a spotlight, don't I? Right, just doing there. Right, spotlight. And then move that to about there. There we go. And then it's not going to cause. Where's that going? Oh, hang on. There we go. One spotlight there. Let's change the intensity to 10 just to see. It still creates this bloody thing here, which we don't want. Boot looks really good though. The lighting settings in this aren't great, are they? Okay, I'll fix that later because I've literally got 15 minutes to do this top. Okay, to do the top, we're going to take, where's my hidden one? Show pattern. So we're going to do this. What would be the quickest way of doing this? I think the quickest way would be creating a panel over it. Because really it should be like a thing and that. No, actually, delete that idea. I'm going to create a panel. I need a rectangle. Create a panel from, what's the length? Right, from there to there. Okay, and then I'm going to stitch that on to the top. No, I'm not. Sorry, I'm going back on myself because I want the pattern to be the same. So I'm going to do this external one. Okay, it's this one. And then I'm going to offset the pattern outline. Oh my God, I just want to push that up. Yeah, why is it? Oh no, it's not doing it around the whole of it. So let's say that it goes up 80 centimeters. So this is linked. We want to remove the linking. Let's get rid of that point. Just don't need that anymore. Offset 80. Create an internal line. You definitely want to do that because I'm going to cut that one. So cut. And so let's freeze everything but the thing that we're working on. So unfreeze, freeze. Perfect. Let's just let that one go for now. Oh no. That's not what I was trying to do, but Nice. Let's get rid of the top one. We want to sew these. Oh my God. Right. Okay. Let's go back a step. It done that because there was so much pressure. So if we change the pressure to nothing and then strengthen, that should just create a tube upwards, which is exactly what I wanted. Perfect. And then what we're going to do, we're going to elasticate this edge. So elastic, which is good. And then strength, let's do high strength and ratio. Why is it going so strange? Oh my Lord, what's going on? Oh my God, the hell's going on? Okay, that's strange. What is happening? It's like twisting in on itself. Okay, ratio 3. That might have something to do with it. Right, there's something really strange happening here. I don't really know what. I know what it is. Because we have a leg there. Right, so let's get rid of him. Okay, that's better. Okay, I'm going to give this some. Get rid of that. Let's give this a bit of thickness. And then I'm glad we sorted that out. And then this, we're going to change the ratio down to 20. Yes. Okay. Just struggling like mad, but let's give particle distance 5. And let's make it a little bit. Okay. So it's putting it in so much. I think just the ratio, maybe I need to change the strength down a bit. Maybe 100% is just a tad too much. Let's put it down even less. Okay. So why is it? Okay, so the strength is literally. Okay, that's. Oh, that's cool. Right. Do you know what I can do? Basically, I need this top edge to be smaller than the bottom edge. So if we do both, and oh, this is going to change the. I think it'll be fine, but can change the direction of that print. But let's. Ooh. Come on, get out. Okay. I think I preferred it before. Jeez. Okay, that's gonna have to be it. Oh, come on. Oh, what was the settings I had? 50, 20, ratio 20. Let's just do 50-50. That's looking good. Okay. I think that's it, guys. Let's see. Obviously, I've got to sort out the lighting and everything. Oh no, don't really like that. Maybe if I move it down a tad. Okay, I'm going to move that down a tad. And then let's hide this one. Hide 3D pattern. I think this will do. If I could have a draw chord there and. Has that done it? let's change the thickness of that. And also let's get rid of that line there. One last render before I go. Okay, so this is, like I said, this is going to be, there we go. I think that'll look really good. I'm going to put this on the model. So yeah, so that is my moon boot. I'm going to create, like I said, something like this. I'm going to add it to a big pair of baggy jeans, and hopefully this is for the competition, the new CLO Connect competition. So this is just the shoe. I'm going to create a jean, a jacket, and then a luggage rucksack. So I hope that was good, everyone. How do I stop streaming? So yeah, thank you very much. See you later.